Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Delta Executor on both iOS and Android devices. If you've been searching for an easy way to run powerful scripts in Roblox, this is exactly what you need. I've already got it installed on my iPhone, and I have to say, it works like a charm. You can use it to access some insane scripts. What's even better is that you don't need to worry about complicated setups like keys, sideloading, or jailbreaking your device. It's completely straightforward, so even if you're new to this, you'll have no trouble getting it up and running. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through the entire installation process step by step. It's really simple, and all you have to do is watch closely and follow along. I'll make sure to explain everything clearly so you don't miss a thing. So if you're ready to unlock all the amazing features of Delta Executor, stick with me, and let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called pluginelite.com. Plugin Elite is a website where you can find many apps with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Delta Executor and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.